As birds live in such a range of locations, they provide many crucial and diverse roles within the ecosystem. Almost every species of birds provides either a service in pollinating or germinating plants, controlling populations of insects and small rodents by eating them, and allowing for the survival of scavenging animals after perishing. The extent of the role of birds in the ecosystem may be seen through the extinction and the lack of reproduction of many trees since the disappearance of the dodo. As the birds ate the fruit of the trees relied on the passage of the seeds through the aves digestive tract to begin the activation and germination of the seeds. However, as the birds began to disappear, germination of the plant could no longer continue, and the trees were left with no means of reproduction. The diets of birds range greatly. Some, such as owls, are carnivores, while others, such as the toucans, are herbivores. The rest are omnivores. Canada geese fit into the latter. Canada geese are bulk eaters, and their diets consist mostly of roots, stems, and berries. However, they have also been known to snack upon mosquitoes and small fish. These are birds who search for food by grazing, and while this is mostly done on land, it occasionally takes place in the water. Birds are organisms with a closed system. The digestion of birds begins with the pecking of the beak. Once the food has reached its mouth, the bird poorly, if at all, chews it. While birds have no teeth, occasionally, large nuts will be crushed by its beak. Swallowing consists of tipping the head back and repositioning the food with the tongue. Bolus is then passed through the esophagus, reaching a small pouch known as the crop, something that stores the food as to enable slower digestion. Food is then moved to the first of two stomachs known as the proventriculus, where chemical breakdown takes place using acids and mucus. Next, the gizzard, the second stomach, crushes the food, often doing so with the use of sand and similar particles. Food will remain in a cycle of these two regions until it is broken down and ready for absorption. The small intestine, with help from the liver and pancreas, further break down the chyme. Energy, glycogen, and more are absorbed and stored within the muscles and liver of the bird. Between the large and the small intestine lies the ceca, which absorbs liquid. Finally, the large intestine absorbs any excess water. Birds then excrete their waste through a multifunctional hole that also serves their reproductive needs. This is known as the cloaca.
Created using Powtoon.